In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a drop-down list in Excel. This method is especially useful when you want the drop-down to represent quantities while the related items are listed below it and the source of the list is stored on a different sheet. Using this setup helps keep your worksheet clean, organized, and easier to manage. To begin, open your Excel file and make sure your data is properly prepared. The items that will appear in the drop-down list should already be placed on Sheet 3. These values will act as the source for your list, allowing you to update the options later without changing the main worksheet. Next, go to the sheet where you want the drop-down list to appear. This is usually the sheet where you track quantities or selections. Click the cell where you want users to choose a quantity. Selecting the correct cell is important because the drop-down list will only appear in that location. After selecting the cell, go to the Data tab at the top of Excel. In this tab, look for Data Validation and click it. This opens the Data Validation window, where you can control what kind of input is allowed in the selected cell. Inside the Data Validation window, locate the Allow option and choose List. Once List is selected, a source field will appear. Click inside the source field, then navigate to Sheet 3. Select the range of cells that contains the quantity values you want to use for the drop-down list. These values will now be linked to your main sheet. After selecting the source range, confirm the selection and click OK. The drop-down list is now active. When you click the arrow in the selected cell, you will see the quantities listed from Sheet 3. You can now place the related item names below the drop-down cell to clearly show which product or item the quantity applies to. One advantage of using a separate sheet as the source is flexibility. If you ever need to change the quantity options, you can simply edit the values on Sheet 3, and the drop-down list will automatically update. This keeps your main worksheet neat and prevents accidental changes to the list items. By following this approach, you create a structured and user-friendly Excel setup where quantities are easy to select and items are clearly displayed. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.